Hello, my name is Bryan Whitaker. I'm with ID Additives, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our ID EcoPro 360 to clean your tools. I have a lot of shops that also clean the backs of their platens as well. The rust preventative layer that it leaves behind helps prevent rust from forming. So with that, I recommend, even if you order a spray bottle, I recommend getting a paintbrush. This one's just a small 1/4 inch just to show you the effect. A little bit does go a long way. I always recommend doing a test area first, being 30 to 60 seconds just to see how long this chemical will take. If you leave it on too long, it is going to leave a white film behind, and that simply just means that you have left it on too long. The chemical breaks down with water, so you can apply water or just reapply the EcoPro 360 to it to remove that white coating. So with that, it's probably been about 30 to 45 seconds. I use a Scotch-Brite to speed up the process. You want to make sure that you wipe it dry. And if you want to zoom in a little bit, you can see that I've got some underlying rust stains right through here. That tells me that instead of that 30 to 45 seconds, I can lengthen my time that I put the material on here for maybe a minute or 2 minutes and kind of extend from there. So with that, I'll clean the rest of this tool just so you can see it. I'll rework that area that I just cleaned as well as the remainder of the tool. I'm going to reapply it there. This is a non-hazardous chemical, non-toxic, EPA tested and verified. It is reusable. We have a cart and filter combination for flushing out cooling passages. Obviously, I'm not able to recapture the material when I apply it here, which is why it's important that you know that a little bit goes a long way. That way you're not going through a lot of this material. I'll show you one area without using the Scotch-Brite so you can kind of get an idea of how effective it is without the Scotch-Brite and why I say that, you know, if you are able to use Scotch-Brite on your tools, it helps speed up the process. I don't know if you're able to zoom in on that. You can tell the difference right here where I did not use a Scotch-Brite versus here where I did. I didn't apply a lot of pressure, so it's not like you're really having to work terribly hard. This area right here still needs a little bit with that underlying staining. I'll redo that section and clean up the rest. We'll give it a few seconds. And I'll spend a little bit more time around those areas right there. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I believe you get the idea.